Welcome to SQL 06. Today we are going to see about the subqueries. Subquery it is nothing but is a query that appears inside the another queries. When we see that subqueries, that is we have the two part it is there. One is outer query and inner query. Outer queries we can write, select, insert, delete or update. But inner query always written with the help of that select only. Okay. Now we see the types. We have the four types in the subquery. One is single row subqueries, multi-row subquery, multi-row multi-column subquery and correlated subqueries. Now we see the single row subqueries. Single row subquery, it is nothing but the output of the single row subquery, it is only one row it is presented. And whenever we are using the single row subqueries, we should use where conditions we should use, and with the help of these any of one operator we can use in the single row subqueries. Multi-row subquery, second one. If my output it is present more than one rows, so that is called as multi-row subqueries. We can use these kind of the keywords in that multi-row subqueries. Any, in, not in, all. And also that in where condition I should use only one column only I can use. Sometimes if I want to take the more than two column based on that inner query, that time I can go for multi-row multi-column subqueries. Keyword it is same for that multi-row subqueries, multi-row multi-column subquery both are same only. But only one thing it is here we can have that more than one column it will present. Okay, and we will use aggregate functions, minimum, maximum, average, and all we can use, and group I also use it in that subqueries. Now see the practically. Now see here, I have taken that average salary from the employees. Okay, now if I select the statement and execute it, the average salary it is in the form of the decimal point. So I want that exact salaries. So we can use the trunc functions. With the help of the trunc functions, we can get that exact salaries. Just execute this inner query part. We can get that exact salaries. That is 43,701. That one only I am copied and pasted it here. Okay. Now my question is, I need to find that employee salaries. I need to find it. Okay. That is greater than to the average salaries I need to find out. That's a reason we are using that single row subqueries. Okay, and also here I am taking that greater than symbols. If I take the greater than, less than or equal or not equal symbol, these and all it will consider single row subqueries only, because single row subqueries written inner query it is see only one row it will return. Okay, now see here, just select the statement and run it. Now I got the salaries more than to that average salaries. What is my average salaries means 43,701. But peoples are getting more than to the average salary all are getting. Okay. Now we'll see the multi-row subqueries. In multi-row subqueries, we will use three keywords, that is in, any, not in, four keywords and all. Now here I am using in only. Okay, why I need to use multi-row subqueries means, in my select statement if I taking that max of salary from the employees, still max of salary means I will get only one output, only getting 1 lakh I am getting. But my question is, I need to find out the maximum salary based on the department wise. I need to find it means that time I should use group by department ID. So we will get the record based on the group by conditions. We can get the maximum salaries. Here see here we are getting that output it is more than one row. That's the reason it is called as multi-row subqueries. Okay, and I need to find out who are the maximum salaries employees. I need to find it. That's the reason in the outer query I am writing that employee details. Okay, select star from the employees where salary in, these salary, okay, salary in, these salary and all I need to get with employee details. I need to get it. Now just select this query and run it. We can get a department wise maximum salaries. So department 90, okay, maximum salary is 1 lakh. And department ID 30 60, the maximum salary it is 10,000. 100 if it is department ID, the maximum salary it is 5,000 only. And for the department ID 30, the maximum salary it is 1 lakh it is presented. Okay, and next we'll see that the department ID 50, the maximum salary it is 8,500. But here 6,500 also it is came, because when we are executing this inner query, select max of salary from employees, group by employee ID, we got that output it is in the maximum salaries 6,500 also we got. That's the reason when we execute this statement, we got 6,500 also in our output for the department ID 50. Okay, so we should not get like that. That's the reason we are using that multi-row, multi-column subqueries. Multi-row, multi-column subqueries, it's nothing but our inner query, it will return more than one row. More than one row it will return, and also we will get more than one column it will present. Execute it, more than one row it is presented with more than one column. That is called as multi-row, multi-column subqueries. Now see here, for that 50, the maximum salary it is, the department ID it is, they know 50, the maximum salary it's 8,200 only. So based on the department wise only, now this query will work it. Okay, and also one thing we should remember, that is whenever you are taking in that select statement columns, here I am taking the column department ID and max of salaries. These two things we should use in that where conditions. That is we should call in the where condition, we should call it. Okay, then only it will work. Now we'll take that the employee details, maximum salaries based on the department wise. Now if I execute means I can get output. See here, 5,000 we are getting for the department ID 100, and 1 lakh we are getting for the department ID 30, and 90 who are getting the 90, that person's 1 lakh. If the department ID 50 means the maximum salary it is 8,200 only. But before we got that maximum salary 6,500 also we got it for the department ID 50. But in that multi-row, multi-column subqueries, we are not getting the 6,500 in the department ID 50, because we are getting the salaries based on the department wise maximum salary it is getting. Okay, this way we can use the multi-row, multi-column subqueries. Today we saw that single row subqueries, multi-row subqueries, and a multi-row, multi-column subqueries. In that upcoming session we will see some other questions.